links. Okay, so when I'll be explaining the concept of link, so be very alert, very careful, and wherever you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right? So what is the meaning of linking? Beta, linking means how we can connect one web page with another. Whenever the user click on the hyperlink, the user get connected to some other web page. Other web page, or we can say target web page. Right? Target web page means the page to which we are to jump to. Right? We'll be having one hyperlink. That hyperlink, when clicked, will take us to another web page. Hyperlink has three important features. Hyperlink will be highlighted, it will be underlined, by default it will be blue in color, and the mouse pointer will be converted to hand shape symbol. When you will take the mouse pointer to the hyperlink, it will be converted to hand shape symbol. Am I clear up till here? Yes, class, am I clear? Any doubt up till here to anyone? The simple meaning of hyperlink. All right. Now, how we can create the hyperlinks? We can create the hyperlinks with the help of anchor tag. We can create the hyperlinks with the help of anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag, that is denoted by A. The A tag signifies anchor tag. Clear? Now anchor tag has one attribute that is called href. The href attribute stands for hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference. Clear? Now the value of href attribute is the name of the target web page. The value of href attribute is the name of target web page. आपने जिस वेब पेज के साथ लिंक करना है, उस वेब पेज का नाम href एट्रीब्यूट की वैल्यू बन जाता है. Right? Then when you click on the hyperlink, you get connect to that page. And A tag is container tag. It is your container tag. Now see this example which I have shaded in front of you. Carefully see this example which I have shaded in front of you. Now I explain this command and try to understand the meaning of this command. When I click on hyperlink, click here. When I click on the hyperlink, click here. I get connected to web page, page1.html. I get connected to web page, page1.html. आप जब इस हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक करोगे तो ये वाला वेब पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. This page 1.html is our target web page. The page 1.html is our target web page. Target web page means the web page to which we are to jump to. The web page to which we are to jump, to which we are to connect it to. Clear? Now practically we run this so that you people get to know the clear meaning of linking. Beta, is the notepad window visible to everyone? Yes, Imani, Lakshya Tandon, Dishant. Is the notepad window visible? Karanjot, Hasita. Karanjot 10th है, 25 roll number. Starting with the HTML tag, I'm giving the title links and I'm closing the title tag. Here I'm giving the body BG color as gray. Now today I will tell you the meaning of 3 attributes which we just discussed in the previous term, but I told you that we will be implementing those 3 attributes in the next. Link. Link attribute. The link attribute specifies the color of the link. By default, the link color is blue. I am giving the color green. The default color of link attribute is blue. I am giving the color green. Then a link. A link stands for active link. Active link means when you currently click on the link. जैसे ही आप लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे उसका कलर एक्टिव हो जाएगा, वो एक्टिव लिंक बन जाएगा. आई एम गिविंग द कलर येलो. The default color of a link is red. I am giving the color yellow. V-link, visited link. The color of the link which user has already visited. The default color of V-link is purple. I am giving the color pink. So again, I repeat the default colors. The default color of link is green. Default is blue. The default color of link is blue. The default color of a link is red. The default color of V link is purple. But in this web page coding, I have taken the link color green, the a link color yellow, and link of the visited link as pink. Now, how to create the hyperlink? I am giving the heading over here. Hyperlinks. I close the H1 tag. Then I am taking H3. A tag. href attribute equal to, I am giving the page 1.html the name of my target web page. The name of my target web page. Then after closing the bracket, here you have to create the hyperlink, clicking on which you will get connected to this page. I am giving the hyperlink. Click here to open and close the anchor tag. I'm closing this h3. I'm closing the body tag, and finally I close the HTML tag. Right? Now I'm saving this web page. Links 10th.html. Let us run this. Now see here. This is my hyperlink. Okay. I click on it and this web page opens. मैंने ये वेब पेज बनाया नहीं है, इसलिए ये लिखा आ रहा है can't reach this page, क्योंकि मैंने ये वेब पेज बनाया नहीं हुआ. Right? Am I clear? Yes, 10th class, only one thumb is up. Diksha, Himanshu, Arsheen, Dhavnesh. No response is coming from your side, all of you. Now listen, again I'm repeating the meaning of the command. Clicking on the hyperlink, click here to open. आपने जब इस hyperlink पे क्लिक किया, this web page will get open. Page 1.html. Right? Clear? This is your hyperlink. In your board examination, when you will get the web page, there in the instruction, hyperlinks will be given to you. Right? Now, for time being, I just remove all these colors. Okay. I remove all these colors and let us open the web page. Yeah, it is open here. Now, see here. The link click here to open is coming in blue color. It is underlined and pointer changes to hand shape symbol. I click on it. See the color become red. See the color has become red. Active link. Because I have not created this web page, that is why this message is coming. Your file couldn't be accessed because I have not created this web page. Right? Am I clear? Working of hyperlink is clear to all of you. Now I make one more hyperlink. Let us try to connect with some other web page. Like I have here. I have this web page. Link1.html. Okay. So the name is link1. I try to connect with the page link1.html. See here. Again, I click. I am on page links underscore 10th. I click on this hyperlink and I get connected to the web page link1.html. Have you noticed how from one web page we went to other web page? I again implement it. Carefully see it. I am on web page links underscore 10th. मैं इस वेब पेज पर हूं, मैंने इस हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक किया और मैं जिस पेज के साथ कनेक्ट हो गया उस पेज का नाम है link1.html. Clear? Am I totally clear to all of you? The meaning of hyperlink? Now, how to associate or connect your hyperlink with list? See here. I have UL list, first list item. See here. लिस्ट और लिंक को अब हम कंबाइन करेंगे. नॉर्मली द वे यू टेक द अनऑर्डर लिस्ट, द लिस्ट आइटम टैग, आफ्टर द लिस्ट आइटम टैग you type the command of hyperlink and then close the list item. Then second list item, and I am creating one more hyperlink here, page2.html. Click again. Now my hyperlink is click again. Third, one more command I type here, page3.html. Click again. Third time. Okay. And here I close the unordered list. Right? Now here I'm taking link color as, let me say yellow, and a link color I am taking green. Clear? So these changes I have done. Now see here, list with link, list with link. These are the three hyperlink and they are associated with the unordered list, and the unordered list is in the disk form, solid dark circle. I click here, I get connect to this web page. मैंने ये web page नहीं बनाया हुआ, that is why this message is coming. Now see here, the moment I click, the color becomes green. This green color signifies active link. Now I come to the next hyperlink, third hyperlink. It becomes green, it is active. Okay. Clear? How to link list with the link? Yes, 10th class. Is the concept clear? How to connect list with the link? Similarly, you can connect with the help of order list also. Like I have some web pages made over here. like let me see this check web page. We can connect to this web page also. All right. I am giving here check.html, right? Clear? And I have associated my hyperlinks with order list now. See here, they are now appearing in the order list. I just increase the zoom level. Click here. Now this web page get connected to my another web page check.html. अब इस वेब पेज के अंदर मैंने अपनी एक पीडीएफ फाइल को लिंक किया हुआ है. जब मैं इस हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक करूंगा तो मेरी पीडीएफ फाइल खुल जाएगी. सी वन पीडीएफ फाइल गेट ओपन अप. You can link your PDF file also with the href attribute. ये हाइपरलिंक के अंदर हाइपरलिंक हो गया. ये मेरा मेन वेब पेज है. मैंने इसके हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक किया. I jump to this web page check.html. In this web page there was one more hyperlink, clicking upon which I get connected to the PDF file. Clear? Then the second hyperlink. Then similarly, the third hyperlink. Am I clear to all? The concept of hyperlink is clear. Beta, hyperlinks are of three types: internal, external, and mail to. Today you have done external link. External link means clicking upon the link, hyperlink, you get connected to some other web page. You jump from one web page to another web page. That is called external linking. Okay? Am I clear?